Tutorial for using a welfare seat in a compact car. Use the remote to enter and exit. Introduction to the remote control. Hold right button to extend seat. The seat's rotation and extension can be pre-programmed via the remote control. User-friendly operation with a wide range of applications. Once the seat is fully extended outside the vehicle, you can wheel your family members right up to the car. Make sure to lock the wheelchair brakes so it doesn't move. With care, help them safely transition from the wheelchair to the seat. Allows for easy seating outside the car without bending or lifting. Folding and stowing the wheelchair in the trunk for convenient carrying. The headrest can be adjusted to 3 different positions to meet the user's needs. The 3-point safety harness ensures riding security and prevents accidental sliding. By holding the left button, the seat assists with smooth entry into the vehicle. Excellent load bearing, certified to safely support up to 100 kilograms. Even in tight spaces, it guarantees no scratches. The up and down buttons on the remote control the seat's forward and backward movement. Foldable footrest saves vehicle space, adds comfort for passengers. Adjustable backrest 175 reduces fatigue during travel. Door interlock powers off seat button 30s after door closes to save battery. The system wakes up immediately when the door opens, restoring all functions. Hold right button to rotate and extend seat. Customizable leather and colors. When the right button turns red and stops responding, the seat is fully extended. You may now push the wheelchair away. Unbuckle the 3-point seatbelt and gently assist with the transition to the wheelchair. After transferring to the wheelchair, move the user aside. Press and hold the left button to retract the seat into the vehicle. The process is completed once the seat is fully retracted into the vehicle. Mingal Mobility Systems, guardian of freedom for people with reduced mobility.